The sight at night. Right sees a sight. The stars are bright. The moon glows high. Right feels calm. Right and the night enjoy the sight.
The snow and the crow. Joe sees snow. A crow flies by. The snowflakes fall. Joe catches one. Joe and the crow love the snow. The few new toys. Stu has a few new toys. He shares with Lou. They play all day. The toys make noise. Stu and Lou enjoy the new toys. The fur rug. Murray has a rug. The rug is made of fur. It is soft and warm. Murray lies on it. Murray and the rug stay cozy. The park and the star. Mark goes to the park. He sees a star. The star shines bright. Mark makes a wish. Mark and the star light up the park.